Hello and welcome, future food technologists. In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting world of food science, specifically the current trends that are shaping the way we produce, process, and consume food. This lecture will cover two major topics: innovations in food technology and trends in consumer preferences. So let's dive right in. Text on screen, Lecture 11, Current Trends in Food Science. Innovations in food technology. Food technology is evolving at an incredible pace. The way food is produced, processed, and preserved today is vastly different from what it was even just a few decades ago. Let's go through some of the key innovations happening in the field of food technology. Smart packaging and food preservation. First, let's talk about smart packaging. This technology helps extend the shelf life of food and ensures better food safety. For instance, packaging that can change color when food is nearing its expiry date. You might have seen packages with QR codes that tell you exactly where the food came from, what ingredients are inside, and how long it's good for. This type of packaging can also monitor conditions like temperature and humidity, which can be crucial for maintaining freshness. Plant-based and lab-grown foods. Next, we have a huge trend towards plant-based foods and lab-grown meat. As people become more conscious of health and sustainability, there's a growing demand for alternatives to animal products. For example, plant-based burgers, like those from Beyond Meat or Impossible Foods, taste and look just like real meat, but are made entirely from plants. Even more futuristic is lab-grown meat, where animal cells are cultured in a lab to create meat without the need to slaughter animals. These innovations are changing the way we think about food production. Food automation and robotics. Food production is also becoming more automated, thanks to robots and artificial intelligence. Imagine robots that can chop vegetables, cook meals, or even assemble fast food orders. These innovations help increase production efficiency and consistency while reducing human error. Automation also helps in areas like food sorting, packaging, and quality control, ensuring that products are safe and of the highest quality. Another exciting innovation is 3D food printing. This technology works much like a regular 3D printer, but uses edible ingredients instead of plastic or metal. This allows for the creation of complex, customized shapes, textures, and even flavors. It's being explored for everything from intricate chocolate designs to personalized nutrition. In the future, 3D food printers could even become a part of home kitchens. Now, let's turn our focus to consumer preferences. As food technology advances, consumers' tastes and demands are also evolving. Understanding these preferences is crucial for food scientists, as it helps shape the development of new products and technologies. Let's explore some of the key trends that are influencing what people want to eat. One of the biggest trends is the shift towards health-conscious eating. Consumers are becoming more aware of the importance of nutrition and are looking for foods that are not only tasty, but also good for their health. This means there is a growing demand for foods that are low in sugar, fat, and calories, as well as foods that are high in protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. Functional foods, which provide health benefits beyond basic nutrition, are also gaining popularity. Examples include foods enriched with probiotics, omega-3 fatty acids, or antioxidants. Another major trend is sustainability. Consumers are increasingly concerned about the environmental impact of their food choices. They're looking for products that are eco-friendly, whether that means organic farming, sustainable sourcing, or biodegradable packaging. Reducing food waste is also a key concern, with companies looking for ways to upcycle food byproducts and minimize waste during production. Plant-based diets, as we mentioned earlier, also tie into this trend, as they tend to have a lower environmental impact compared to traditional animal farming. In today's fast-paced world, people are also seeking convenience in their food. This is why ready-to-eat meals, meal kits, and snack foods are becoming more popular. Consumers are looking for quick, nutritious meals that are easy to prepare and fit into their busy lives. Companies are responding by developing new products that are both time-saving and healthy. For example, microwaveable bowls with whole grains, lean proteins, and fresh vegetables. Finally, we have the growing interest in personalized nutrition. Thanks to advances in technology, consumers can now receive tailored food recommendations based on their unique health needs, genetic makeup, and lifestyle. Apps and devices can track your daily food intake, exercise, and health data, then provide you with customized meal plans. This trend is expected to continue as more people seek diets that are specifically suited to their individual health goals. So, to sum it all up, food science and technology are evolving rapidly to meet the demands of modern consumers. Innovations like smart packaging, plant-based foods, and food automation are changing the way we produce and interact with food. On the consumer side, there's a growing trend towards health-conscious, sustainable, and convenient eating, along with a desire for more personalized nutrition. As food technology students, it's essential to stay up to date with these trends because they will shape the future of the food industry. Whether you're interested in developing new products, creating sustainable food systems, or advancing food technologies, there's plenty of opportunity to make a difference. Thanks for tuning in and keep exploring the amazing world of food science. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food science content.